Hi guys, this is one of my old style charity shop short videos where I show you stuff that caught my eye but I didn't buy. These look like they're somebody's pride and joy, their collection, all still in their original packaging and now on sale at £1.99 each in the charity shop, which I always think is a bit of a shame when somebody's spent their time putting a collection together. I was interested because I recognise them. I've already got one of these Ferraris, the Superamerica, picked it up in a different charity shop, unboxed in the junk box. I think it cost me 50p or something. And I was impressed when I looked at it with the double speed effect of the pullback motor. You pull it back, let it go, and it goes off, and then a couple of feet down the floor it suddenly accelerates and goes much faster, which I just find very interesting, quite a novelty. So yeah, I can't remember how many there are here. We'll be able to see in a minute when we go through this video, and I'll write down in the video description what each one is, just in case you can't read it off the screen. Thank you for watching.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.